Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary Beamer boys to act a bona fide fool. Time to put those feet to pavement, Freddie Flintstone style. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Beamer boys down? Or will the Beamer boys take those feet and put them all the way down to the depths of the abyss and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister. Beamer boy time. Okay, they found the Beamer already. What did he do? What kind of is that an M3? Oh, he's out of here. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my disrespectful toes, devil. I hope you're ready.
From Indiana, black BMW two-door.
A two-door. Is that an M4? That's a newer BMW. He getting busy too. I don't know why the sound keep going on and off, y'all. I don't know. But he definitely getting, look, he getting little immediately. Eat my dust, coppers. Eat my butt dust. He's out of there, man. Look how he weaving in and out of traffic. He ain't got no problem getting busy. Like who? Charles Barkley at a buffet. He ain't got no problem getting busy. He moving. That boy booking. I don't even see him no more. Where'd he go? How you know he got off on this exit? Oh, whoa! Oh, whoa! What happened?
Don't move. Hey, get your hands. Get up.
Hector, put your hands up.
Turn around. Turn around.
What is he doing?
Turn around.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Don't rage. You get shot.
Come on, Hector, don't do it, bro.
Don't do it.
Oh no, Hector! What is he doing? Stay down, Hector! Hector, stay down, my boy. Diabolical. Oh, somebody was in the car? Hey, Jesus, what's going on, bro? Oh, my goodness. Hector was tripping. He tried to up that fire on them boys. You know them boys wasn't going for that.
Just got out.
It's another angle. Yeah, what's Hector thinking? Look at him.
Turn around.
What was he thinking?
Turn around.
He tried to up that fire, y'all. Look.
Hey, don't rage. Don't
Put it
rage.
down, Hector.
Don't rage. You get shot.
They warned you, Hector.
Hands up.
Oh, no, Hector. Lit you up like a firecracker, man. Had your body jumping like a jumping bean. Why did he do that, y'all?
Hey, let me see your hands. Don't move.
What was he thinking? He must be drunk.
Turn around. Turn around.
I know they tore your car up, but it ain't worth it, bro. Look at him playing games. They don't play with that, man.
Don't do it.
Hey. They was sending them hot ones at him, y'all. Diabolic and killers.
Get on the ground. Turn around.
Look at him. What's going on? He ain't want to be here no more.
Don't reach for anything.
The devil said, come on home. Oh, my goodness. When the devil called for you, he want his soul. He coming to get it. Insane.
Shots fired. Option needs help.
Hey, how many times they gonna show it? Come on, man. When you put your foot down and you sell you give it all for your foot, the devil might want more than that. It's a strong chance. He must have had a concussion or something because he wasn't thinking right.
Adam 12, we are unable to see anything. He's going to be down behind the vehicle, in the bushes. We got the airbag.
They hit him with the rubber bullets, man. He okay.
Try to keep eyes on the suspect. We got no eyes on him.
Yeah, that was rubber bullets, man. He good. He lucky they hit him with them rubber bullets.
Stay on the fucking ground! Stay on the fucking ground!
Stay down, man. The rubber bullets they hurt, bro. You lucky they hit you with the rubber ones. You'd have been a gunner.
Clear. Turn him out. Handcuff him.
They be playing, man. Boys in blue don't play, man. They don't play about that. What was he thinking, huh? Meet me in the comments. I know y'all wondering why I was running. They say he was wanted for a felony. Basically, he had a warrant out for his arrest, and they got behind him. They followed him for a little while, and I guess he decided to take off on him. He got the boogie woogie, and he wasn't playing no games. He had something real fast, and he actually, I think he got away, but I don't know why he ended up coming back towards them, but he definitely seemed like he got away right here. He got a little on him real quick. He didn't waste no time boogieing on him. He jumped off on the exit. I didn't even see him. The cop ended up seeing him. I don't even see how he got off on the exit. I don't even see how the cop knew where he went, which exit he got on. Unless they got, you know what, they probably had a snitch bird out there. That's probably why they knew he got off on the exit. So he got off right here. Check this out. He getting off the exit. Why did he turn around, though? I'm trying to figure out why he turned around. See, he had turned around. Why did he turn around? Oh, another cops was chasing him. No, it wasn't. He just turned around on his own. And I don't know why he did what he did, but he was clowning. Listen here, if you up that fire on the boys in blue, they up in them thunder sticks. You up the fire, they up in them thunder sticks. Who you think gonna win, the thunder sticks or the fire? Game to be played, but with that being said, hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, this reaction to the video. We just want to see what's going on when we see these videos. This is for educational purposes, like a documentary. We just trying to tell a story, let you see what the cops go through first person shooter, basically. We want you to see how the cops have to react to certain situations. These are the situations that the boys in blue are put in. We just want to show you. We want to give you a real life example. You know, this is GTA Grand Theft Auto. We just simulating what could happen in a real cop chase. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I said like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. You better quit playing. You better quit playing out here. I don't know why you think it's a game. Why you think you invincible. Like you can't be stopped. Listen here, young people. I'm talking to the young people. You are not bulletproof. Why you out here acting like you are? You can lose. Why you think you can beat everybody? You can lose. You are not immortal. You are mortal. Stop thinking that you can't be stopped. Because you can get hit with something hot that will guarantee you to bring you to an immediate stop. Listen, life is short. You gotta enjoy it. Why you doing stupid stuff? If the boys in blue get behind you, just stop. Put your hands up. And take your musty butt to jail. If you gotta go to jail, they might just be trying to give you a speeding ticket, a little seatbelt ticket. Stop panicking. Your life depends on it. We learned a valuable lesson here. Don't ever think the boys in blue won't cook you. But with that being said, if you're gonna be a diabolican, can you please, and listen to me now, listen to me good, can you please put your hands up?